Today we will work with lists in Python. Lists in Python is known as a mutable data type. Mutable means the data type can be changed. So first let us see how we can create a list. There are more than one ways in which we can create a list. First we have to give a name for that particular list. So let us give the name as SPC list and we can simply write equals to list. List is the keyword. You can see the color is changing. So this is one way of creating a list. The another way of creating a list is I will change the name of the variable. I'll give it 01, and what we'll do is we'll create a list in this way. We'll just simply put a square bracket. In another way, what we can do is we can initialize the list also. So instead of just simply putting a square bracket, we can write a number, say 10. Or what we can do is we can not only put a number, we can actually have some other things also in the list. For example, we can have, other than this, we can put this. Now let us see how can we check that the data types that we have created are actually lists. For that we have to use the function type. So we can write down like this: type name of the list. So you can see that it is a list. Next, that is also a list. The third one, that is also a list. And the fourth one, we can see that that is also a list. So it proves that after we have created the list, we can actually create an empty list, or we can actually create a list that has some elements in it, and it can also have different type of elements. It is not that it will have only number or only single alphabet. It can have a mix of number and alphabets.